Yo, what's up, guys? Mr. M back again with another trade breakdown. All right, we're starting off the year pretty hot. Obviously, past rewards doesn't necessarily indicate future progress, but let's just break this one down as well. All right, so last week we had all this bearish momentum, but ultimately it was just a pullback. The stock market is bullish, higher time frames. All right, so let's see what we had here. Monday we had this impulsive move, and then we came back, and then we created our fib here. So we came, excuse me, we respected this 38.2 area where we bounced pre-market. All right, so once I saw that we were bouncing pre-market, that double top that was forming is invalidated. So then I was looking for continued buys on this area. So we got our daily 50% range where we showed that we did have indeed a double bottom here on our daily pattern, as well as starting to form a potential head and shoulders pattern. So I was looking at the shoulder, this head, and this shoulder back above this 50% range with the bullish EMAs telling us to potentially look long. So I got into this trade on this candle with this bullish engulfing. Can't lie, I was a little bit nervous. It's hard for me to take trades in the New York session or before the New York session when the New York volume comes. But at the same time, you do want to anticipate that if the setup is there, you want to have that New York volume push your trade in the right direction. So that's exactly what happened. We came here and then we took some heat. I can't lie. I was sweating a bit. I was like, dang, am I going to take a loss right before New York? We wigged down, and then like this candle was just wicking, as you can see. And then we eventually maintained that level of support, bounced from the 38.2. Then we hit our continuation level, and that's exactly what we did. We continued, and we ran right into our TP there. All right. And boom, that was some sweat, but also an easy trade. So our next targets, as if we remain bullish here, are up this way, and then the 25668, as said in the Discord group. All right, guys. I'll see you on the next one. And if this is your first time, make sure you join our free Discord. Link in the description, and I'll see you on the inside.